Good morning, folks. Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. So I want to do a quick live video here. I posted about an hour ago on my wall talking about buying Ripple. Let me turn my phone down here. Okay, so buying Ripple. Let me show you guys how to do that. But before I do that, let me share my screen and show you some numbers, okay? And let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Where you at? Tell me where you at, what you're doing, what you're up to. This is the coin market cap site. This is where you can see pretty much majority of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. And you can see their prices, their market cap. You can see a lot of metrics here that's going to help you move forward in your investing decisions. Of course, Bitcoin is number one with a huge market cap. It's standing steady at 16K. It's going to project to go up in 2018. We are, guys, I can't believe it. We are just less than a month into 2018. 2018 is going to be very, very good, epic. If you are not in cryptocurrency in any kind of way, now is the time to get involved. But today, I'm going to show you guys how to buy a few other cryptocurrencies in the space that is making a big noise in the space. And one of those cryptocurrencies is Ripple. Now, Ripple, when I talked about Ripple probably a couple of weeks ago, it was around 25 cents. It was hovering around 25 cents, between 25 and 27 cents. Now it is closing in on 70 cents, guys. This may hit $1 per coin real soon. And if you were late in getting in on the Bitcoin boom, which is still not late to take advantage of Bitcoin, guys, there's several ways which I've shared multiple times on how to take advantage of Bitcoin. But if you wanted to get on something that is, at the verge of breaking free, of excelling, Ripple is something you want to get into. Okay. Before I start, let me see who's tuning in. Let me see who's tuning in real quickly. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's see here. Kansas. We got Ray. What's up? What's up, Ray from Tulsa? Faye from Kansas. Thanks for tuning in. For Fatmata. I think I'm saying it right, from London, all the way from London. Thank you for tuning in, folks. All right, so Ripple, where and how do you buy Ripple coin? Well, there are several places. One of my favorite places is Binance, okay, Binance.com. And you can go and buy this coin. Now, how do you search for Ripple? Let me just go to the top here. We'll start from the top. Okay, so when you log into Ripple, not Ripple, when you log into Binance, you're going to come to this platform right here. And what I like to do, I like to go to the exchange and click on Basic. Now, make sure you're doing this from a desktop. It's going to help you kind of maneuver a little quicker than being on your cell phone. The company does have an app, so you want to make sure that you're on a desktop. It's going to help you be more efficient, so to speak. Okay. Now back to coin market cap. Again, Ripple is on its way up. Let me just click on the actual coin. Let's look at the actual chart here. As you can see here, you see this spike up right here. This is a strong buyer's move right here. They call it a bullish market, and it is spiking up, guys. It's projected to probably it's going to go up. In 2018, this coin, I can see this coin really shooting up to the skies. So you definitely want to get your hand on Ripple. And I'm going to mention a couple of other coins too that you want to buy as well. So let's show you how to buy Ripple first. So when you open up your Binance account, or you can buy this out. There's another platform called Bittrex. You can buy it on. I have a Bittrex account. I haven't played around with it yet. Binance has been easy for me. It's really, really simple. So you come here to exchange, you click on Basic. All right. And the symbol that you want to look for Ripple is XRP. You see this right here? XRP. We're going to go to right here, you're going to search for XRP. There it is right there. Double click it. Okay, I'm already on it. Okay, I'm already there. And what you're going to do now, the first thing, let me back up. I'm sorry. My apologies. You need to deposit Bitcoin into this account. Okay, you need to deposit Bitcoin into this account. So what you do, you come to funds, deposits, and you're going to end up at this screen right here. All right. Then you're going to scroll down right here where it says Bitcoin. You click on deposit. All right. And whatever wallet you're using, you're going to copy this address right here, and you're going to send whatever amount of Bitcoin that you want to send inside of this account. Okay. I always use the scanner code because all I have to do is take my cell phone and scan it, and it happens automatically. Okay. So you can use the QR code, which I use, or you can just copy and paste this into your whatever Bitcoin wallet you're using and send the funds like that. Once it hits your account, it's going to show up right here. Okay. It's going to show up right here. Then the next step is you go back to the exchange, click on Basic. And from there, from this, we are already on Ripple XRP/BTC. That's what you want, because when it's time when you want to sell the coin or withdraw your funds back to BTC, you're going to need to deposit into BTC. Whatever you deposit in is how you're going to withdraw. Okay. So what you do next, you come right here, down here, you click on Market, and you click right here. Now, I have 0 right here because I don't have any Bitcoin in here. I'm about to add some funds here in just a second. All right. And it's going, when you click right here, after you click on Market, it's going to tell you the max amount that you can buy. All you have to do is put that number. So say, for example, this says 100. Well, all you do is put 100 right here and hit Buy XRP, and you're done. It's that simple. Okay. Now, when, let's say Ripple goes up to $10, okay, which, guys, hey, if you bought $100 worth of Ripple and it goes up to $10, then you've made a pretty good profit. Okay. So say you come in and say, oh, I'm very excited. I'm ready to cash out. Well, all you do is come back to Binance. All you do is come back to Binance, and you come over here to sell XRP. It's going to tell you the total amount. Say it's 1,000. Okay. This is for training purposes. Say it's 1,000. You sell it XRP, and guess what? It's going to end up right here back into your BTC wallet when you sell it. Okay. Immediately when you sell it, it's going to end up right back how you started. And all you're going to do is hit withdraw, and it's going, you got to put your Bitcoin wallet right here, and the amount, you can put the max, you can hit max or put whatever amount you want. There is a little fee. The company takes off a fee off the top because that's how they are making their money. Okay. So just to get your heads up. And if the coin actually doesn't go in your favor, if you feel like, hey, I'm tired of being patient, which this is a game of patience, guys, is buying low and selling high. Very simple. A lot of people call it swing trading in the Forex market, which it is still swing trading. You're just buying and holding until you see a profit. It's pretty much it. Okay. So it is a game of patience. You have to be patient. So whatever amount you want to sell here, you hit submit, put your Bitcoin wallet in there. Now you're not going to see this first. You're going to see when you first do a withdrawal, it's going to ask you for a label. All you have to do in that section is put something like personal or withdrawal. You don't have to put nothing fancy, and then put your Bitcoin wallet address and hit the amount you want to withdraw. And there you go. You will get it back. Okay. Now, again, if you get to the point where you think you need the money, okay, it's just sitting there, not doing nothing, you can withdraw at any time back to your Bitcoin account, minus some fees, just to get your heads up, because Binance is going to take some money off the top. Not much, but they're going to take a little fee off the top. Your money is not going to be lost. Okay. The only losing is going to happen is when you know, Ripple or any of these other cryptocurrencies, you know, when they go down a little bit, you're going to see a little drop. But hey, that's the name of the game when it comes to investing, guys. You just know that. But again, 2 weeks ago when I talked about this, it was at 20-something cents, guys. It's rose 51.6% in the last 24 hours. Okay, that is phenomenal. Now, if you guys got any questions, let me know. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but this is what videos are for. Appreciate you guys coming in. Ray, you said, so Ray, all right, Ray, I think I know what you're talking about here. You take, so whatever you want to invest in, okay? All you do, well, first you have to actually deposit here. So you hit deposit, okay? This is the Bitcoin address that you're going to send. So let me give you an example. Let me go into my Coinbase wallet here, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Coinbase.com. Let me just show you. So I got to wait on this verification code. Bear with me just a second. All right, there we go. 317-1728. Verify. All right. So what you're going to do, you go to Binance. So say you want to send $100. Say you want to send $100 over to Binance. All you have to do, this is their Bitcoin deposit address. You take this address right here, copy it. Okay, take this address and copy it. And you go to, I haven't been in Coinbase in a while, so you go to, I want to go send. Oh, here we go. Accounts, send. Okay, we want to send to this address. Okay, we're going to send to this address because we're depositing Bitcoin inside of here so we can buy Ripple or any other coin. You put how much you want to put there. Say it's $100. Okay, and then you hit continue. All right, that's it. That's it. That's all you do. That's all you do. So let me log out of here. Did that answer your question, Ray? Hopefully it did. Hopefully it did. Let me see. All right. Hopefully that answered your question. So once you get that in there, once you get your BTC in there, now you can go to exchange and base it and purchase some Ripple. Okay. Again, you click on market, click right here. It's going to tell you the max amount that you can buy. You hit that, you put that amount in and you hit buy Ripple and boom, you're in the game. Okay. Guys, I don't care if you put $200 in here, $500 in here on whatever coin you want to buy. You know, it's all about taking a risk. Okay. Your money's not lost in here. I've withdrawn from this platform just to give you some confidence in Binance. I have withdrawn from this platform before, so it is a viable exchange. So you're not going to lose your money. It's what we're doing here. We are taking advantage of the cryptocurrency space, and we're taking advantage of projections that may happen. Okay, now is it a guarantee that this might go up still more? No, I can't guarantee that. What I'm saying is Ripple, if you do some research on Ripple and the actual company and what they're doing, they are, I mean, the price and what people are buying into, it should drive the price up. Okay, and that's what's happening. Of what Ripple stands for, that's what I look for. Okay, in these particular coins, what is the cryptocurrency? What's their business model, and so to speak. Now, two other coins I recommend. And at the time I talked about these coins, especially one of them, which is called Salt. At the time I talked about Salt 2 weeks ago, it was $3 and something. It's $3 and some change. Now, guys, it's $8.13. Just think if you would have put some money in. I actually made a withdrawal too early. I put some money in. I made a withdrawal too early. I did profit. I'm going to put some more in. and invest in this particular cryptocurrency. So it's up $8, guys. This company is going places as well. You want to put some money in salt. How do you find salt on Binance? Very easy. You type in salt right here, and boom, you can invest in salt. Okay. The other one you want to play with and hold on to is going to be EOS. 2 weeks ago, maybe a little bit over, it was also $3 and some change. Now it's $8.24. How do you find EOS on Binance? Very easy. You put on EOS, and there it is right there. Okay. So guys, that's it. Those are the 3 cryptocurrencies that I would buy and hold. Okay. And write down, take a picture, whatever you want to do to see when you bought it, what, the day you bought it. And really the price is the most important, and where, what's the price you bought it at. That way in a week or 2 or more, if it goes to a certain amount, you know what you bought it for, and the type of profit you're going to receive. Okay. With the cryptocurrency space booming right now, it's going to be booming for a long time. Now is the time to get in position, folks. Now is the time to position yourself. Okay. Hey, Diane, you said, is this being recorded? Yes, this is a live Facebook video, so it's going to be streaming live here for a long time. Cameron, hey, brother, thank you so much, man. Thanks for tuning in, Cameron. Ray, glad that answered your question. See if we have any other questions. Lynn Ray, I think that's how you say your name. You say that you think it would be helpful if this is made in a form of video or PDF. Well, this is a video. This is in video format right here that can be downloaded so we can watch or read later for better understanding. The thing about this video right now, Lynn Ray, hopefully I'm saying your name right, is it's a live video. After I'm done talking, it's going to be streamed. You can play it anytime. That's the great thing about, these videos. You can play it anytime. I'm also going to post it on my YouTube channel. Okay. So I want to, the reason I'm doing that, I want to get this information out to people. This is pretty much cryptocurrency investing 101, folks. This is very simple stuff. Again, you can put 500, whatever you want to put in this exchange to buy these coins I just mentioned. I mean, if you don't take the first step, you will not understand what it means to profit in this market. You see, if people would have took the first step, a couple of weeks ago when I was talking about Ripple and Salt, they would have been in profit. You see, so why not, position yourself now? Because check this out, Bitcoin is $16,000, guys. It's projected to go bonkers in 2018. Okay, now, I did another live video earlier this week. It was actually on Tuesday, where I talked about mining Bitcoin. And if you want to know how to profit big time in with the Bitcoin boom right now, just Bitcoin alone, mine it. Mining it is going to be the best bet. Why? Well, if you were to buy a Bitcoin right now, it's going to cost you $16,000, $16,525 to be exact. And that's great. Okay, you're going to have $16,000. That's fantastic. Now, let me show you what can happen. Let me just get up the whiteboard here and show you what can actually happen. Get red. All right. So if you buy, just going to put BTC, it's going to cost you 16K plus. All right. If you buy Bitcoin today. Great. You got one Bitcoin sitting in your Coinbase wallet or whatever wallet that you have. The reason you do that is because you're hoping Bitcoin goes up and you make a profit. Now, has a lot of people made profit in the Bitcoin rise and boom? Of course, lots of people have made a huge profit. But let me say this. It can either go, Bitcoin is volatile. It can go down, it can go up. Okay. Now, What happens when it goes down tremendously? People panic and they want to pull their money out. Well, you didn't make a profit. Why not wait until till it goes back up? If you look at a specific market or a specific chart and look at the highs and lows of Bitcoin, you see how volatile it is. It goes up, it goes down, it corrects itself, it retraces. It does what it does. People are buying, people are selling. It is a peer-to-peer commodity, okay, in the digital space. So it's going to be volatile. You have to be patient. I hopefully I reiterated this when I talked about, Ripple and EOS and SALT. You have to be patient. If you buy here, don't expect to get rich overnight. You have to be patient, guys. And if you want to make a profit, you can. You just have to be patient. So patience is key here. Now, it can go up, it can go down. Talking about Bitcoin. Let me show you something else. Now I'm going to switch it over to mining. This is a typical mining calculator I'm about to show you right now. This is going to blow your mind. Okay, remember, it cost $16,525 to buy one Bitcoin. Now, let's say that you want to mine Bitcoin, and let's say you bought or had 100 terahash. Okay, this is for Bitcoin. If you had 100 terahash right now, which is the hash power to mine Bitcoin, you would be making in profit every day, no questions asked. Depending on the price of Bitcoin, you will be making over 95,000, close to 100K a year, guys. How many Bitcoins is that a year? You see what I'm saying? So you will come out more profitable if you start mining Bitcoin than just buying it and holding on to it. You see? Because your volatility can be out the roof some days. It can really probably make you just, a lot of people are panic a lot if they're new to this stuff. So I just want to, leave you with that, get you to thinking about, okay, how can I take advantage of Bitcoin? I showed you how you can take advantage of some other cryptocurrencies, 3 others, Ripple, EOS, and SALT. They are low price right now. You can take advantage of them, buy and hold, be patient. But when it comes to Bitcoin, it's not too late to take advantage either, guys. It's all about positioning yourself with the right opportunity, and mining it can bring you the most profit over time. So hopefully you got something out of this. I'm going to see if we have any questions here. Let's see here. Wakita, you asked, is there another Bitcoin wallet to start with other than Coinbase in order to buy Bitcoins because of the more traffic issues they are having? Okay, good question, Wakita. Me personally, I use BitPay, okay, BITPAY. You can go to bitpay.com. They also have, let me show you this real quick. BitPay also has a card that you can get as well. Okay, so this right here is my BitPay card. Okay, I can use this card anytime I want at any store. I can pay bills with it. And guess what? I transfer my Bitcoins all over to my BitPay card if I want to and use it. My wedding was pretty much funded by Bitcoin, guys, because of this feature. So BitPay is a place. Now, if you're trying to buy the Bitcoins, there's several ways to do it. Coinbase, of course, you can buy it. GDAX, you can buy it at, there's several places. I actually asked that question yesterday. Make sure you look up on my wall, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see all the people who are suggesting where you can buy Bitcoins outside of Coinbase. I had that very question yesterday, okay? So Faye asked, if you buy the Bitcoin, does it trade dollar for these others you mentioned? Very good question, Faye. Now, I don't think it's going to trade dollar for dollar. I don't think it's going to trade dollar for dollar. Say, for example, you buy $500 worth of Ripple, okay? Let's go back to Ripple. Right now, it's 69 cents. Now, this is in US dollars, okay? But you're going to be investing in this thing. You're going to be investing in this thing in the form of Bitcoin, okay? So you want to look at it like your projections are looked upon when you see the price of Ripple go up and down. Okay, so if Ripple goes through the roof and shoots up to $20 within 6 months, then you've made a nice profit if you purchase, say, even $100 worth or $200, guys. Think about it. What are we spending $100 to $200 per day or per month in our lives on? Probably a lot of stuff we don't need. You see, put your money to work for you. If your money is sitting in a bank, if it's sitting just collecting dust and not doing anything, I guarantee you right now the banks are making money on your money right now, just sitting there in the bank. Put it in something that's going to move. Put it in something that's going to give you some longevity. You see, and that's what it's all about. Okay. All right. How much do you need to become a miner? Lily, that's a fantastic question, Lily. Lily, please inbox me. I have some information for you, and which will answer that question. But to give you the first part of that question, or just the intro to that question, you can start mining with as little for Bitcoin with as little as $35.80. You can get one contract for $35.80. Now, 100 terahashes is going to cost you more than that, but you can get started with that. So there's strategy to this stuff. Lily, please inbox me. I can give you some more information about the company I'm with, that I'm able to do this with, and the company is very legit. Okay. Let's see. Marquis said, "Don't touch Coinbase." Hey, Marquis. Hey, man, Hey, you know what? It's very rare that I do buy from When I do buy from Coinbase, they do come through for me. I mean, I haven't had any problems with that. They can be a little slow though in getting your wallet, getting the information actually getting yourself funded is going to take a little while with Coinbase. If you're new with Coinbase, it's going to take you a while to get that money in your account. So just be patient. Faye, if I'll repurchase it, since I have to buy Bitcoin, if I buy 500 in Bitcoin, will I be able to buy 500 in Ripple with that same 500? Okay, so Faye, that's a good question. 500 in Ripple, you have to do some calculations here on what you're going to get. Now, when you go in Binance, it's going to tell you exactly how much Ripple you can purchase with your 500. That's why I showed you the way I showed you. So if you come here inside of Ripple, say you put Ripple in here, which is XRP, okay? And you've already deposited your Bitcoin in here. When you click on market and you click right here, it's going to tell you how much Ripple you can buy. Okay. It's going to tell you how much Ripple you can buy. You just hit buy, and then the rest is history. Okay. The rest is history. So hopefully that answered a lot of you guys' questions. Does anyone else have any questions? Again, I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be an expert by any means in the cryptocurrency space. I'm learning something new every day. And a lot of this stuff, guys, I've learned from other colleagues, friends who have taught me some stuff. Do your own due diligence as well and research this stuff. There is a plethora of information on YouTube that you can check out. So all I'm doing is I'm just a messenger. I'm just relaying information that I've been taught or that I've seen, and all I'm doing is implementing the education. That's all I'm doing, guys. There's nothing new under the sun. Everything repeats itself. And if somebody's showing you this on YouTube, they've learned it from somebody else. So it's a cycle. It's a cycle. Okay. Who else got it? Anybody got any more questions? All right, Faye, glad that made sense to you. Celeste, where can you buy Ripple at? Can I buy with cash? All right, Celeste. I did cover that at the beginning of the video on how to buy it step by step. So make sure you go back and watch the entire video from start to finish. I actually covered how to buy Ripple early on in the video, and I showed you all the logistics and everything. So make sure that you go and watch at the beginning. Okay. Diane, thank you so much. You're very welcome. Marquise, what's up, my man? You said that mining business and you can do other crypto. Yes, that's correct, MJ. Marquise, the mining opportunity that I'm in, and you know about the company, I'll just mention it here, Swissco Global. There's other altcoins that you can mine. Ethereum, you can also mine Zcash. You can also mine Monero. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, Zcash, you can all mine those different coins inside of the same business. That's correct. That is correct. All right. You're so welcome, Celeste. You're so welcome. Anytime. Anyone else have any questions? Hopefully that gave you guys some confidence on moving forward with investing. Okay. And again, mining Bitcoin, to me, just my personal opinion. And I showed you some numbers just now. Mining Bitcoin, if you buy one Bitcoin today, it's going to cost you $16K plus. If you mine it, I don't care if you start with 50 terahash, you're still coming out on top. You're still making over 47,000 a year, guys. That's over one Bitcoin a year. And guess what? Here's the crazy thing. Hold on one second. Here's the crazy thing about mining. When the price of Bitcoin goes up in mining, guess what? All the other parameters, your daily profit, your weekly profit, your monthly profit, your yearly profit goes up. That is phenomenal. There's going to be more millionaires created from mining than just, doing the other way. Like I told you, just buying it. You see, buying the Bitcoin, et cetera, because it goes up and down. Okay. You're going to get more consistency with this. That's what I'm trying to say. You want to get more of a consistency. I've already got paid out for my mining today from the company that I'm with. And it was like earlier this morning. I didn't do a thing. Okay. All I did was put some money in. I purchased some hash power and the rest is history. Okay. I'm compounding. I'm building up my portfolio. This is just one of my opportunities that I'm doing. It's all about diversification. That's what it's all about, folks. Okay. All right. Marquise, you said better payout than USI. Better payout than USI. Well, it depends because those are two different companies, two different strategies. USI is doing something completely different than actually USI is also is going into, if they're not already into the mining. So you can do some damage in USI too. You can do some damage in USI as well. Litecoin is a big deal. Litecoin is a big deal, Cameron. Coin market cap, Litecoin, 284. It was up over 300 the other day, I believe. It's down 9.33%. This is the waves I'm talking about, guys. This is the volatility I'm talking about. Cryptocurrency market is volatile. It's volatile, okay? So please understand that. Don't get scared. It's normal. It's going to be volatile. Hey, Robert, what's going on, brother? What's up, Juan? Yes, sir. That is SGG I'm talking about. That's SGG I'm talking about. You got that right. What's up, Robert? Everything is well, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Wakita, you said, what's your thoughts on buying coins in the ICO phase? Okay. Now, for those of you who don't know what an ICO is, it means initial coin offering. Here's my honest opinion on that, Wakita. It is very, very high risk. I do not recommend buying ICO coins, okay? Let me close some of this stuff out because I'm all over the place here. Close. If it has not hit this exchange, okay, coin market cap, if it haven't hit Binance or Bittrex, do not invest in it. You can lose your money, okay? Just being honest with you. Hey, Sherry, thanks for coming on. You're new, doing your research. Awesome. Keep researching. I have a lot of information, that I've shared over time on my Facebook here. Also, go to my YouTube channel. You can look me up under Passive Income Guru. Subscribe, and I share a lot of stuff there as well. Lee, you said starting out, I use Coinbase. Can I transfer everything to BitPay? Okay, Lee, great question. If you have Bitcoin sitting inside of your Coinbase account, yes, you can transfer. You can actually set up a Bitcoin wallet with BitPay as well. You can do it all from your phone. Okay, so make sure because BitPay has an app. But if you go to bitpay.com, you can order your BitPay Visa card. It has a Visa logo. But when you set up your actual wallet, make sure you do it through the app. Okay, you can download the app. So yes, you can transfer once you set up your BitPay app on your phone, you can transfer your funds over to BitPay. Okay, so hopefully that answers your question right there. Hey, Kenvi, what's up, man? LB, what's up, brother? Fernando, thank you guys for tuning in. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? I'm just taking it easy today. I'm working, but I'm taking it easy. This is what I do full time. So what I do full time is I'm just trying to share the love. Matt Feast, what's up, man? He's a fellow miner, same company. Sherry Ann, what was the website you said if it don't hit that page, don't buy? Actually, Coin Market Cap is where you want to see if the coin is on there. If it's not on there, don't mess with it. And also your other exchanges like Binance and Bittrex and all those, okay? Lily said, you taking donations. This is awesome info. Lily, hey, this is my passion. I love giving these nuggets because people, this is a combination of questions I've gotten over the last few months to the last year or so or more. So it's a combination of all this. I'm just making a video out of it. But you're welcome to donate. No, I don't need your donation. You're good, sister. I'm just giving it out for free. Junior, can you transfer funds from BitPay to a bank account? Now, Junior, with that's a good question. You can use the good old handy dandy BitPay card, my friend. Okay, the good old BitPay card is where you can transfer your Bitcoin funds to the BitPay wallet, where you can actually use your card just like any other card you have in your wallet. Okay. What's up, Shannon? Good to hear from you, man. Good to see you. With BitPay, Wakita, this is from Wakita. With BitPay, are we able to add USD with our debit card to buy BTC? Okay, let me see if I understand your question. Are we able to add USD with our debit card? Okay. At this time, I haven't found how to do that. I don't think you can, Wakita. What I do with BitPay for now, and here's another thing. Let me back up and say this. So let me show you this real quick. When you start to build up your funds, and maybe you can start this, it'd probably be a good idea to start doing this now. Get yourself a Nano Ledger wallet, okay? This is going to make your Bitcoin wallet more secure. There's also another one called Trezor, Trezor. When you start building up that nice flow of Bitcoins in your wallet, you want to secure it, okay? So that's definitely want to do that. Now with BitPay, Wakita, you can't add, you can't do that. You can set up your wallet like a Bitcoin wallet from your phone. And once you start to receive funds into your BitPay wallet for Bitcoin, you can transfer those funds over to your BitPay card balance and use it like you do every day, okay? All right, so Matt Fee said BitWallet is the same, but Europe only, okay? Thanks for sharing that. So all my people out in Europe, you can use BitWallet. All right, Junior, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. Any other questions? Any other questions? Let me know, guys, okay? Let me know. This is going to be, again, this is going to be streamed live on Facebook, of course, and I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. And let me just show you guys where you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube. And all you have to do, type in Passive Income Guru. And there I am right there, okay? You can subscribe. I put all these videos on my YouTube channel, okay? So when you subscribe, though, make sure you hit the little, there's a little bell you want to click on, because it's going to, when you click that bell, every video I do, you get notification to your cell phone or to your email, okay? And you'll be good to go. Lily, for you, definitely look at this video right here, Lily. Okay, definitely look at this video right here for the mining portion of things, okay? All right. So does anyone else have any more questions? Glad that answered your question, Wakita. Celeste asks the BitConnect. What's your thought on BitConnect? All right. Good question. I am a part of BitConnect. I'm a part of BitConnect. Now, here's my strategy, and here's what I'm doing with BitConnect. I'm using BitConnect as a Bitcoin cash flow resource. Okay, what does that mean? If you go to my YouTube channel, I'm not really talking about BitConnect. You can scroll all through 700 and some videos, and I'm not talking about BitConnect. Okay. There's a reason for that. But I'm using it as a Bitcoin cash flow source. And the payments that I withdraw from BitConnect, I'll come over to Binance and buy some more Ripple or something, you see. It's not that I'm not confident in the platform. Okay. I think it's a great concept. But it's not number one on my list. Number one on my list, to be honest with you, is mining cryptos, mining. Okay, that's number one on my list. All right. Hopefully that answers your question there, Celeste. That's my honest opinion, brother. Honest opinion. All right. Anybody else got any other questions? Any other questions? Let me know. Let's look at some more. Let's look at a couple more coins here. Let's see here. Let's see what we have, folks. Cardano is up. Cardano is up 30.39%, folks. It's only 17 cents. I'm just giving some suggestions. You guys can buy these coins if you want to. If not, that's okay. I'm just going off of what I see. Okay. I talked about EOS. Zcash is up 18.5%. Now you can actually, in the company, the mining company that I'm in, you can actually mine this coin. You can mine this coin right here. Wow. Tron coming out the blue here. Tron is 1 cent. What's Tron all about? I've never seen this one. Tron is up 85%, folks. It's 1 cent. So what I like to do, I come in here, I look at, some metrics, and oh, I'm getting a call. Website. Let's this is what you should be doing too, folks. Look at their website. Do they have any owners? You see? Okay. So I'll look at all this stuff. See what they're all about. Okay. See what else they got. White paper in English. So you want to make sure you thoroughly check these folks out, these cryptocurrencies. This is the white paper. You can look at what they stand for. It tells you everything about the cryptocurrency, what is Tron, the value of Tron. Okay. So you can read all this stuff. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of it, but do your due diligence. If you feel good about what you see, what you read, invest. Okay. Again, let me get out of here. Again, when you come to an exchange like Binance and you say, "Hey, I want to invest in Tron," let's see if Tron is even here. What is TRX? TRX. It's actually right here. Here we go. It's up 80. Look at that. Tron is up, 1 cent. I just showed you. It is 0.01. That is amazing, guys. So, I mean, it's not going to hurt you. You say, "Hey, I'm going to invest in Tron," for example. You put some Bitcoin in here, and again, you're not going to lose your money except for when it's time to withdraw. You're gonna accumulate some fees. Okay, that's for the company. Every company does that. PayPal does it. Coinbase does it. Hits you over the head with fees. I mean, there's fees, guys. It's going to be fees. It's like taxes. I mean, the government, the U.S. Every time you buy something, you get taxed. Okay, so just look at it as a tax. All right. I think that's it, folks. Check one more time. See if we got any questions. XRP, JB. That's right, brother. That's right. You're welcome, Celeste. Junior, you said, can you post a website or the information on crypto? Yes, sir. Hey, Clark, what's up? When you say mining, what do you mean? Good question. Here's what I'm going to do, guys. So I'm going to post this link right here. I'm going to post this link to the actual video that I'm doing right now here once I'm done. It's going to tell you, it's going to give you information about the company I'm mining with. The company is legit. They have the highest integrity that I've seen online for, in a long time. They've been around since 2008. They're not going anywhere. So if you want to partner with a company that has partnered with another company, which is the top mining operation in the world, then this is the company you want to be with. Okay, this is the actual company. It's called Swissquote Global, and it is phenomenal. It is phenomenal. That's all I can say. I'll give you a little tour in my back office real quick, and I'm gonna end the video. So I'll post that for you, Junior. I'll get that posted for you, brother. Also, inside of Swiss Gold, guys, you can buy real gold and silver. I'm talking about real gold and silver. You want to know what to put your fiat money to use for? You want to know what you can put it in that is of value? Gold, silver, and crypto. Gold, silver, and crypto. All right, we can go to crypto here. Let's see what we have. Sherry, I'm going to send you some information on the mining aspect of things to break things down for you. All right, so here's the back office, guys, of where the mining activity takes place and some other things. All right, and let's go to transactions here. So all these numbers here means that mining is taking place. You see the dates. You see all the pages here. I'm gonna go wait. Let's go to page 40. Okay. So things started moving for me back in June. Okay, things started moving for me back in June, and you're going to see a progression. You see all this right here. Whenever you see a transaction link, that means I got paid out automatically. Okay, let's go to page 19. Automatic payments to my BitPay wallet. Hands free. No telling or selling. No bugging friends or family. No recruiting. If I don't want to, it is hands free, guys. Okay. And I did get a payout today as well. Actually, yeah, I got one this morning. I think another one is coming today. So today I got paid hands free. Let's see how much this is right here. So $121 just doing nothing. I mean, you can't beat that. That's every day. Now, again, when the price of Bitcoin goes up, that payout goes up every day. But I'm also compounding. So I'm building my portfolio. I got a certain goal in mind as well. Okay. So this is just give you a little sneak peek. But if you want more information about Swiss Gold Global and the mining and all that, I will get you guys some information. Please also hit my inbox. Let me know, hey, I want information on mining, and I can definitely get you that information. Okay. All right, folks. I think we've spent quite a bit of time together here today. Some of you may be heading to lunch. I am live, Lusa. How are you today? Lusa Campbell said in my live, I am live right now. All right. So, Wakita, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully, I answered all your questions. Now, what's up, man? Junior asked, what's the minimum amount to need to invest in Swiss Gold? There's different ones, Junior. Here's what I want you to do, Junior. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and send. You want to watch this video right here, my friend.
Swiss watch.
Okay, I'm going to send it to you right now, brother. Live. I'm going to send it to you live. Right now. Right now, brother. Coming to your inbox, Junior. And Junior, we need to hook up, man. We're neighbors. You live in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. We're neighbors, man. Watch this video right here, Junior. It's going to answer a lot of questions for you. A lot of questions for you. All right, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Suzanne, how are you, sister? Again, guys, get yourself secure. Get your Ledger wallet. Get your Trezor hardware wallet is what they call it, and where you're safe. You know, especially if you're stocking up on Bitcoins, keep yourself safe. There's been a lot of hacking going on. And make sure on your platforms like Binance, okay, make sure you set up a 2-factor authentication password. Okay, that means it takes a couple of steps before you log in, and only you can have access to that. It's on your cell phone. Maybe the company sends you a text message. Okay, that's going to protect you and your funds. So make sure you play it safe. Make sure you play it safe. Okay. All right, guys, it's been fun. I love doing this stuff. Love talking to you guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hey, Tim, glad you tuned in, brother. Anytime. All right, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's been fun. It's been real. Let me log out of my account here. Log out here real quickly. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. It's time for me to go get some lunch or something, I guess. Find something to do. Well, actually, I can upload this video to YouTube. I can upload it. So once it propagates, I'm going to upload it to YouTube. And guys, if you have questions, more questions, please hit my inbox. I'll be happy to help you. Okay? Take care. God bless. Talk to you soon.